Please ask Mr. Raman Singh if he will take responsibility for the Jhiram Ghati massacre of the entire Congress leadership when he was Chief Minister. Why did he not then resign? Why did he not go to the spot? That was not even a central paramilitary operation. May I remind you, my friend? This was a central paramilitary-led operation to wipe out Naxalites, assisted by the state forces. Yes, we assist. We are duty-bound to, and we will continue to do so. Jhiram Ghati massacre of the entire Congress leadership. Our PCC president to our former chief minister, the entire Congress leadership was wiped out. And we all know allegations were leveled at whom of being hand in glove with Naxalites. And they refused to even investigate it. All that I pointed out to you, Chhattisgarh government and our chief minister are committed to provide all logistics, every type of support that our paramilitary forces and government of India wants in our fight against Naxalites. We are one and united in this fight. But what about responsibility of the man responsible as Home Minister of India for the operation? Shall he continue to evade his duty, be absent completely, continue to do road shows and public rallies for 24 hours, and nobody should ask for his accountability because he is the holy cow? The same friends of the media, during the Mumbai terror attack where we cleaned all the terrorists, the UPA government, just because Home Minister of India was physically present in Mumbai, overseeing the operations, had changed his clothes. There was so much of uproar in the country that he had to resign. But here the Home Minister can do road shows with film stars, hold public rallies, be in 3 different states, not come back to Delhi, and then do us a great favor by cancelling the last 2 rallies in Assam, and not be held accountable or not be asked questions of. I don't think so. That should be the yardstick in this country.